Hi guys, if your trunk is locked and you cannot open it manually by pressing the logo handle, and also the rear view camera failed and you get camera not available message on the info screen every time you shift into reverse, you should start by checking a certain fuse from the relay panel. But first, don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel, Tutorial Auto. First, open the small compartment beneath the light switch and then remove it. This is the fuse, a blue one, which has 15 ampere on S51 position, which is located above the relay panel on the left side under the steering wheel. If it's blown, it no longer allows you to open the trunk and the rear view camera is no longer working. If the fuse is okay, all that's left is to check the cables from the logo handle that leads to the car body. Sometimes they also break and the 12-volt current no longer reaches the trunk handle to open it. Therefore, remove the upholstery on the right side of the trunk and check the wires and plugs that connect to each other. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. If my video was helpful, please like, comment and subscribe or send me a super thanks.